Okay, today is Friday, January 5th, 2024. We're at 30510 Wentworth in Livonia. John and Jason were out and did a mainline cable just before the end of December. We're going to do a diagnostic televise at this time. There's been ongoing issues with the sewer. We believe it's possibly a root issue. As you can see, we have storm and sanitary cleanouts. We're located right next to the water meter. The sewer does go out the front of the house, and we believe that the sewer main is located on the other side of Wentworth. As you can see, this is our cast iron here. This is where we drop down and we tie in with the storm. You can see our cast iron has a small amount of scale buildup, but nothing that's too bad at this time. You can see just up ahead, here's where we change from the 4-inch cast iron building drain to the 6-inch clay pipe sewer. We're going to go ahead and continue our televise out to the city main. Okay, so you can see here on the left-hand side in the 9 o'clock position, and you can see actually a little bit on the right as well, we do have some root infiltration at this joint. You can see the joint is a little bit offset.
The big jam.
Okay, here you can see we're at almost 43 feet. You can see we have a little bit of calcite here at this joint. Calcite is formed from water that actually infiltrates the sewer. It has a high mineral content and it has a buildup. The best way to remove calcite is with hydrojetting. Here you can see another joint where it shows that this joint did have some root infiltration. As you can see, the cabling has cleared the joints fairly well. Here you can see possibly a combination of calcite roots here. There's another joint with some slight calcite buildup.
Around the sides.
Okay, as you can see right here in this area, we're currently holding just a little bit of water. When we pull back, we'll be able to get a better idea of the depth of the water. As you can see here, we're back out of the water. Again, we believe the city main to be across the street. That's the reason for the length of the sewer. These houses are set back a little bit from the road. Okay, here you can see it's approximately 110 feet to the city main. At this point, we are going to go ahead and pull back. We will continue our recording. We did find a couple of spots where you could see there was root infiltration, but the roots were cut back to the end of the pipe. Also, there were a few joints that are starting to show some calcite buildup. But at this time, the sewer is open and flowing.
Right there.
Okay, here you can see as we're pulling back, this water level is basically almost just right with the camera. As you can see here, it does show that these joints are clear. So this is an area that's a little bit flat in the sewer, but it doesn't appear to be anything that should be causing an issue. Okay, what may appear to be a crack here, right where this joint is offset, is actually a line of calcite that leads back to the joint. We're going to go in just a little bit farther, and you're going to be able to see that it's actually something that's built up on the outside of the pipe, actually not a crack going through the pipe itself. We just wanted to note that as we pulled back.